Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video you guys. So there's a saying that when it rains it pours, which is exactly unfortunately what is allegedly happening to Real Housewives of Durban star Mthembu, you guys, if what we hear is the truth. So not only did her husband allegedly cheat and impregnated a young woman from Durban, you guys. So blogger Mr. Kaula reports that the reality TV star owes a guy called Joseph over 450,000 rands for the curtains he installed in her house. So Musa also said that her house is currently in arrears, you guys. So without wasting your time, this is what Musa Kaula alleged and wrote on his Instagram. And in Mthembu of the Real Housewives of Durban is owing Joseph an amount of 450,000 rands for the curtains he installed at her Durban North home prior to the shooting of the third season. Enim Timber's home is currently in arrears as they have failed to pay their monthly bond. That's what Musa Kaula alleged and wrote, you guys. Now, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.